Are you preparing for Goethe B2 speaking exam and feeling nervous? Don't worry. You are not alone. In this video, I am going to give you some simple and practical tips so that you can speak confidently and score higher. So let's get started. Now I have divided this video into 6 sections or parts, you can say. So we'll see one by one each section. Now, first section is understand the structure of the exam. This is very, very important. Just don't study randomly, but understand the format of the exam. Here in Goethe B2 exam, there are mainly 2 parts. First one is presentation on the given topic, and second one is discussion with your partner. So here my tip is practice both speaking alone as well as interacting with someone, because many students what they do, they just prepare monologues and they struggle in discussion part. So don't do that. Now in second section, speak simple and clear German. Okay, this is very, very important. Don't use fancy vocabulary to impress the examiner, but the examiners want simple and clear German. Use correct grammar and avoid using long and confusing sentences. Instead of that, just start with meiner Meinung nach, meaning in my opinion, or ich denke das, I think that. Okay, then your speaking skills will look logical and not robotic or artificial. Now coming to third section. Here, structure your answers. Okay. Now just don't start randomly, or if there is no organization in your ideas, then it is of waste. So organize your ideas. So start with introduction, then 2, 3 main points, and then conclusion. And use connectors like außerdem, erstens, zum Schluss. Okay, then your answer will look logical and confident. Now coming to fourth section. Here, prepare for most common topics. Okay, because many topics are predictable, like education, work, entertainment, or technology. Okay, so my tip is prepare 2, 3 ideas for each section so you won't get panic in your exam. Right, now coming to fifth section. Now here, improve your interaction skills, because in discussion part, listen carefully, then react to your partner and ask questions, because this is not a speech, but this is a conversation. So you have to interact with your partner. Don't just speak alone, right? Now coming to last, but not the least section. And this is panic in making mistakes. See, making mistakes is very normal. An examiner know this. So even if you make mistake, correct it and go ahead, right? But you should be confident, because here communication is more important than perfection. Examiners what they want? Confidence, then clarity and fluency, but not the perfection. So those were my top 6 tips for you for Goethe B2 speaking exam. Comment me in the comment box that which part of this B2 exam you feel most difficult. Okay. So if you find this helpful, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you in next video. Till then, bye-bye.